Chico, come.
Chico, what's that? What is that? What is that?
Goes on top. Well, can I put it together first?
No way, this is
Going
great.
nuts.
She loves it.
Wait.
Chico knows how to use it. Other way. Other way. There we go, like that.
Mia, can you please?
Mia, it's a house. It's not a chew toy, it's a house.
She's going crazy on it. Wait.
What do you think? Chico loves it. Right,
Chico knows exactly what it's for.
Yeah? You like it,
Mia,
right,
on
Chico?
the other hand.
I like it.
Mia, she's putting the toy
Mia.
on top of it.
Mia still hasn't figured it out yet.
Mia,
It's like, it's a toy
it's
for her.
a house.
Wait.
Go inside.
There you go.
Get inside.
There she goes, trying to stack the toys again.
No biting.
It's not a chew toy, Mia.
Get inside.
I give it about 15 minutes before she chews up and starts tearing into it.
Well, it was only $6. But cheaper than her usual toys, actually.
Mia, you like it?
She's going nuts in there. Don't bite it.
She's chewing it.
No biting. No biting. Go inside. Go inside with your brother. Go in there. No.
Chico's like, I like it here.
Go inside with your brother.
Hey, Chico? You happy, Chico? You look sad in there. Forget it.
You like your bed? Your bed. Where's your bed? Yeah. Yeah.
Who's gonna pee on it first?
Oh. Yeah. All right.
Chico, go to bed.
Chico, go to bed. Go to bed. Go in there. he was fun to play. Here, get the toy, Chico. Get it.
All right.
All right, I'm gonna fix it. Wait.
Mia, go to bed.
Mia, go to bed. Good boy, Chico. Don't come up. Go to bed and stay. Get inside. 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 Stay.
Mia, you like your new house?
Look at her hair. You're a mess. You're a mess, little girl. This needs to be fixed. I don't think this is right. No biting. You dummy. No biting your house. No biting. No biting.
Okay.
Mommy kissy. Mwah. Thank you. Say bye. Mia.